Welcome back to another tutorial on Clo3d, and this tutorial we'll be looking at how to use the wind controller simulation for our design. So it's something like this you can see on your screen right now. So this is the work of the wind controller. This is it here, you can see. So in case you want to use it for your clothes, so let's begin and let's start afresh. So welcome back. So this is the clothes on the trolley. So in case you need info on how to hang your clothes on a trolley, you can just watch my tutorial. It's on my channel page. So let's begin. So what we'll do first is to go to the animation. Yes, animation first. So look at this, and then we'll be using the we have to activate the wind controller. Sorry. So this is the wind controller here, and this is the wind controller behind the shirt here. So depending on where you want to target on your design or on the clothes you get, so what you do is to select your wind controller. Then you see some features here. You see the strength, the decay, the frequency, the turbulence. Anyway, these are the figures that have been placed by me that I feel is okay enough. You get, depending on how you want the strength of the wind, the decay, the frequency, and the turbulence. But you might want to ask question about this information. So I've been able to gather this information from Clo3d website itself. So this is it here. So the strength sets the intensity of the wind. The higher the value, the stronger the wind. So that's the strength. So the higher the value of the strength, that is the higher the intensity of the wind. So the decay sets the range of the wind. The wind draws an arc and blows weaker according to the value of the wind. So if the value is 0, it blows straight. So the decay is like the width. So we have the frequency. So if you want the wind to blow every 3 seconds, you get. If you want it to blow 0 seconds, if 0 seconds, that means there's no break for the wind, so it keeps blowing the clothes off. You get. So it's like what you can see in this video by the side here. So it blows, then the clothes fall back to position, then it blows it again. So the turbulence sets the turbulence of wind intensity. The higher the value, the more irregular the wind and intensity. So this is the information that explains the whole thing about the wind controller. So let's go back to our design. So I used 100 because the main figure here was 1000, but 1000 is too much. Then you can pick your values here. All you just need to do is to set your values, and this is the value that I set, and you can use it for your own wind animation. You get. And with that information, I hope you will know how to like use the value like wisely based on your taste or what you want to use it for, or the kind of result you are looking for. So the next thing you do is to click on this record icon. Click on record for the simulation to start. So you have the choice to pick the time you want the simulation to stop. So just click on this record icon. It will play more than this 100 frames. So you get. So let's play it first. Well, it might take a while, so I'll be skipping this part for you to see the results in the next 100 frame. So as you can see right now, the animation or the wind simulation has exceeded the 100th frame. So to pause it, just turn off the record button here, just select it. So the animation is going to stop from here. So now that our wind simulation has been turned off, so let's start from the beginning. So I might not be able to play this wind simulation because it might be very, very slow. So this is it here. You can see. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So this is just it. So this is just how you simulate your this is how you use the wind controller simulation on your clothes. So just go back to the beginning, set the frame length, probably 139. Yes, 139 frames. The 139th frame. So next thing, you can just go to your render, go to render, set your necessary details, but make sure you change this to animation. Make sure it's on animation, not on image. So make sure you are setting this to animation so that it will capture this, and set your camera angle to where you want to set your best camera angle to pick up your wind simulation, and that's all. just do the necessary thing and you can set your lightning here. So that's just how to create the wind controller simulation. Also, don't forget to, there's one thing I forgot to say, but I'll write it in this video at the in between the video so that you can remember it. So when using this, make sure you select this activate button here. It must be turned on. If you don't turn it on, when you click on the record button, you won't see any result. So you might make that mistake. Apart from tweaking this value or setting this value, make sure you select activate this button here. So thank you for watching the video on wind controller simulation. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more video on Clo3d. See you later.